Are you thinking of moving to the Niagara region like so many other people are doing? Whether you're coming from the GTA, getting out of the busy craziness of living in the major city of Toronto, or maybe you're coming from the United States or anywhere in the world and you're thinking of moving here to Niagara region. Well, today, I'm glad that you stopped by because we're going to tour Crystal Beach. We're going to tour some neighborhoods. We're going to show you what house prices are going for, what you can find here in Crystal Beach. Right now, we're kind of in the busy stretch of the seasonal area of Crystal Beach, little restaurants, boutiques that you can get here. And Crystal Beach is known to be a seasonal area, but it is changing and becoming more of a year-round area to live. A great place to check out and discover whether you want to live here or not. I'm Scott White, and along with my wife Ellen, we make up the realtors of Living in Niagara with Ellen and Scott. And we are so glad that you stopped by to check our video out today. And if you find today's video educational, inspirational, and maybe even entertaining, we really appreciate if you'd hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to see if there's anything else happening in the Niagara region. You'll be the first to know. Ellen and I get calls regularly from people just like yourself who are thinking of making a move to the Niagara region, and many right here to Crystal Beach. And if that happens to be you and you're thinking of making such a move in 9 days or 9 months or beyond, please do not hesitate to give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even hit that QR code and set up an appointment for us to meet on Zoom. We will answer all of your questions and help you make the decision of where in Niagara you really want to live, which area meets your exact specifications. Thank you so much for stopping by. And now we're going to take you on a little tour here in Crystal Beach. Come on. So here's the first area in Crystal Beach. Thought I'd highlight to you. This is kind of the historical part of Crystal Beach. This is Queen's Circle, and it's a beautiful, cute little place here in Crystal Beach. And stop and listen. Can you hear those birds? Isn't that beautiful? The neighborhood here in Crystal Beach is historically cottages. Almost all these houses at one time or another were cottages all around this circle, and most of the homes in Crystal Beach, it was a very highly seasonal area. When the park was open, it was also seasonal, and a lot of the workers lived in this area. We had a lot of people coming in from the United States who came to live here or vacation here. A lot of the homes were actually cottages that were owned by Americans. But now a lot of these homes are becoming renovated. They're becoming 4-season, all year round homes. And it's not as predominantly seasonal as it once was. Although we'll go through the historical section of Crystal Beach and you'll see that it is still seasonal because right now we're in October and a lot of the places are closing. But I wanted to come over here and we'll see some of the houses here in Crystal Beach and what you can get for your money here. So these are the houses that you can get in here in the Crystal Beach area, especially around this circle. A lot of them are semi-detached homes, full-grown trees in this lovely neighborhood, and these houses right here behind me are currently on the market for sale. Both of them, it's a semi, and so both sides of the semi are for sale. So both of them are around the 1,500 square foot living space mark. They are recently renovated, beautifully finished inside, 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And one is listed for $529,900, the other one for $539,900. That's a very typical price for homes here in the Crystal Beach area. But we're gonna go, I'm gonna show you some other homes here in this area that are even less than $500,000. So here's another little area here in Crystal Beach. I wanted to show you a couple more houses really close to the Queen Circle. This is all a circular part. All the roads kind of go around a circle here in this Crystal Beach area. And this house right here is currently listed. It is a 3-bedroom, 2+ powder room, bathroom, 1,900 square feet of living space, actually over 1,900 square feet of living space, 2-story on a lot size of 22 by 102 feet. And it is beautifully renovated inside, all modern open space, and it's selling for $599,000 here in Crystal Beach. But before we leave this area, we're going to take a look at one other house, which is a very typical home of houses that used to be here in Crystal Beach. And there still are quite a few of them in this area. And if you can find one, you can get it for like a dirt cheap, fix it up and make it into a beautiful home all year round, because this one is still a cottage. So as I was saying, here is another house here in Crystal Beach. And this is a very typical home for the old, ancient, historical part of Crystal Beach. It is a cottage. It is kind of run down. It's old. The interior is still existing. You can still get in there and actually use it, but it's tired. So it does need some renovating and some tender, loving care, as they would say. But the good news is you can get this house for only $224,000 asking price today. I kind of like it because it's reminiscent of what the old Crystal Beach is that I grew up with, all cottages. But right next to it is another house for sale that is been renovated. It used to look like this one, and now it looks like this. And this one is a 3-bedroom with 2 bathrooms, beautifully renovated on the inside, and they're asking only $449,000. So you take this $224,000, add $100,000 of renovation and stuff, you can have this house and sell it for $450,000, $500,000. So if you want to do it as an investment, you can do that, or you can have a beautiful home here in the lovely Crystal Beach for under $500,000. So before we head over to see today's local gem, I want to introduce you to a new development community here in Crystal Beach called South Coast Community. And it has a strong nostalgic feeling. Just by looking at the names of the streets here, you get the vibe of the history of Crystal Beach. Notice the names Comet and Cyclone. Those are the names of the roller coaster, the famous roller coaster that used to be in the Crystal Beach amusement park. That park has closed down many years ago, and we'll talk more about the park, give you a bit more information, a bit more of that history in an upcoming future video for the pros and cons of Crystal Beach. So you're going to have to hang on and watch that upcoming video if you want to learn more about the Crystal Beach amusement park. But right now, this is the community that I wanted to show you with those names of streets, Comet and Cyclone. The homes are beautifully built, lovely modern inside, and this house here is currently for sale. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,100 square foot semi-detached home right here on the corner, and they're asking only $519,000. In this community, they do have a clubhouse, large gathering room with a full kitchen, plus swimming pool and pickleball court. For those of you who watched previous videos, you know I'm into pickleball. So this is, if you come moving here, please give me a call and I'll challenge you to a game of pickleball. There's one other house in this South Coast community here in Crystal Beach for sale. Again, it's also a 2-bed, 2-bath, semi-detached for $555,000. There are some fully detached homes in this community, and right now there's none for sale, so I can't give you a price factor for those. But this is this new build community. There's another one actually just across the road. It is a gated community, and it's very difficult to get in. You have to be invited or have permission, and I was unable to get permission. But the interesting thing about this gated community is it is built on the exact site of the old amusement park. So that is condo living here in Crystal Beach. This is some new developments, gives you a good idea of the other spectrum, not the old cottage like you can get here in Crystal Beach, but now the brand new homes as well. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of what houses and neighborhoods are like here in Crystal Beach. And with no further ado, as I always say, grab yourself that coffee, tea, or your favorite drink, and I'll introduce you to today's local gem. So here we are at today's local gem. I know it's not a coffee spot, it's not a bakery, but this is truly the gem of Crystal Beach, and that is the beach. So normally in high season in June to September, you have to pay to get into the beach, unless, of course, you are a resident of Crystal Beach. All residents of Crystal Beach get to park in the parking lot free of charge and come to the beach free of charge. But if you're not a resident of Crystal Beach, if you're a resident of other parts of Niagara or outside of Niagara, you have to pay to come into the beach. But today, because it's October, we get to go in for free. So come and check out this beautiful Caribbean-style beach right here in the Niagara region. You see why I had to call this the gem of the day? I know almost everybody knows of Crystal Beach, and almost everyone knows of the beaches here at Crystal Beach, but it's heaven. It's as close to heaven as I can get here on earth. Even in October, this beautiful sunny day, beautiful water, lovely sandy beaches, you can't beat this. And if that's what you're into, if you really like the water and the beaches like I do or Ellen does, then you've got to look at Crystal Beach as a place to move to. It is priceless. I don't know how to describe it. You just got to breathe it in. That's the only thing I can say. Over here, for a side note, see that big pier? That was a pier that came out of the old Crystal Beach Park, where the Comet used to be right along with some of those, that big old, I shouldn't say old, the big new houses. That was where the park used to be. We're going to end off today's video. We really hope you enjoyed the tour. And I also got to mention, before I do that even, the mural that we have, Welcome to Crystal Beach. We just met the artist's mother, Melanie Pike's mother, who did that mural. So that's what happens when you come to Crystal Beach. People are friendly, people talk to you. And that's that community sense that we so much love. All of Niagara is like that, but really, especially here at Crystal Beach. So I have nothing to taste, nothing to try to say it tastes really good. You've got to come here if you live here. I just know that if you move to Crystal Beach, if you move to Welland or Port Colborne or Fort Erie or Ridgeway or probably even St. Catharines, I know you're going to find yourself here to Crystal Beach. And one last thing before I go, I'm sorry, I hear about the beach, I'm just talking about it because I love it so much, is right here throughout the summertime. You've heard me talk about church on the beach. It happens right here, where we can have hundreds of people sitting on this beach, boats out in the water, in a time of worship and celebration of Jesus and all that he has done right here, which is one of another really cute community aspects of Crystal Beach. So I gotta say goodbye, otherwise I'm gonna keep talking, reminiscing. So thank you so much for visiting. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Until next time, talk to you later, guys.